Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I've got another box. Well, I guess it's actually not a box. I got another package in from Fat Quarter Shop. I can't wait to see what's inside. Okay, guys, I've made predictions in the past and I've been wrong, so I'm just going to zip my lip. Is that what I do? Not really. Not really. I can't do it. I can't do it. Fingers crossed that I finally have the right decoration out for this unboxing. But I think it has finally arrived because I have been patiently impatient waiting. Yay! This is the next dragon fruit block, and I'm so excited to be sharing it with you guys. These fabrics are so fun. It is all Tula Pink. It is a monthly subscription box from Fat Quarter Shop, and we get to sew these out one at a time with some foundation paper piecing. So I am really enjoying getting to do these sew alongs with you all. But this is also a very interesting color scheme. So it is pink and orange. That's all I can say about that. However, I think this whole quilt comes together really nicely. You just kind of have to like let go of some of the combinations. Um, so we've got our card on the back that talks about what we're going to be sewing this month. Okay, so it looks like we've got 4 different blocks we're going to make this month. We're going to make 4, 4, 8, and 4. So I bet this is going to use that paper as we used the last time. I might choose to just use the ruler for the quilt in a day that I like so much. So we'll see when we get to that if there's enough fabric. I definitely will be starching this to begin with. So we'll see once I get it off the starch rack what we've got. So we've got more of this background fabric, which is my favorite. I'm having lots of leftovers of this from the boxes that Fat Quarter Shop has been sending, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to be making a sewing machine mat that is a broken dishes pattern of all my scraps from this quilt. And I'm so excited because it's going to be one of those things that kind of sits out on your sewing room table all the time and something that you get to see and appreciate. And I've just really decided that decorating with fabric in my sewing room is really my jam because I want to look at the fabrics that I love the most. So I digress. Okay, so we've got this really interesting dot. It's pumpkin and like almost a lilac. I like it. But again, that is 2 colors that unless they were part of this collection, I might not put together. They look great though with this combination. And this guy has kind of become the star of the show. We've gotten quite a lot of maybe 4 different color schemes of it so far. Maybe 3. I really like that it is versatile and it kind of pulls through all the different color lines. And this is a pumpkin-y color. Honestly, that fabric looks a lot like fig tree. It's very close to a lot of the fig tree. Now I'm not going to be able to find it. Okay. Not so close as I thought. It's definitely, this is fig tree. This is a little bit more muted, I guess. And then the dot pattern is quite a lot smaller. So anyways, not super far off, but it's definitely a more vibrant color. And then we've got this great stripe, you guys. I'm just coming into my own here. I love this. This little light blue combined with the purple, it really just almost shines. I don't know. Is that, no, it's True Colors. It is not one of the neon prints. But I'm going to get you guys some additional close-up pictures. I think that may be blowing out on the camera a little bit, but it is really striking. And then we have this floral pattern, very similar to a different one we had. Oh, was it last month? But it's a little bit more muted. So month 3, open. I like to keep all my stuff in that art bin, you guys. It's just so convenient to have it all put together. I'm reusing the bags that they send us every month. So this says 2024 block of the month. and then it says month free. So I know exactly where this came from. So we had that same print in a very similar colorway, but it is quite different all at the same time. And then a great, beautiful dot. That's a good size. I think the fabric of hers I've had lately with the dots have been the Roar, which is quite a lot larger. I like the scope, the size and the scope of that. That's going to work out really nicely. So that is the bundle for this month. We're going to get into these paper piecing probably next week, and I hope you'll join me, but I'm really excited to be sewing this one out. Okay, guys, that's it for this month's Dragon Fruit blog. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you do like my unboxings or any of my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.